there, crypto enthusiasts and newbies. I'm Sofia, and welcome to the Learn Crypto Extra Learning series. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies and focusing on one of the most common ways to get started: exchanges. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, this video will give you the basics on how to buy your first cryptocurrency using exchanges. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is an exchange? Well, think of it as a digital marketplace similar to a stock exchange, where you can buy, sell and trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. Exchanges provide a user-friendly platform to convert your traditional currency, like dollars or euros, into digital assets, and vice versa. Now let's break down the basic steps to buy your first cryptocurrency. First, you'll want to choose a reliable and user-friendly cryptocurrency exchange. There are many out there, such as Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Research and pick one that suits your needs and has a good reputation for security. Especially consider using an exchange that your country allows, which means one that is licensed to accept customers from your country. For this information, ask the exchange's customer support. Ensure the exchange supports the cryptocurrency you're interested in purchasing, as not all exchanges offer access to all coins. Once you've selected your exchange, it's time for the next step. After choosing your exchange, you'll need to create an account. Simply follow the sign-up process, providing your email, setting a secure password, and completing any necessary identity verification steps. These verifications are crucial for security and regulatory compliance. Now let's move on to the exciting part: buying your cryptocurrency. To buy cryptocurrency, you'll need to deposit funds into an exchange account. Most exchanges accept traditional currency deposits via bank transfer, credit or debit cards, or even PayPal. Remember, only deposit what you're willing to invest. Now the final step. With funds in your account, navigate to the cryptocurrency you want to buy and choose the amount. You can typically buy a fraction of a coin if you don't want to invest a large sum. Review your order, confirm the details, and voila! You're now a cryptocurrency owner. Congratulations! You've just made your first cryptocurrency purchase through an exchange. Now, with starting anything new, it's always important to remember that research and due diligence is important, especially when working with crypto or any money. Here's a checklist you can use before you buy your first crypto. The first step is to research and choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange. Look for reviews, user feedback, and ensure the platform has a good track record for security and user satisfaction. Always enable two-factor authentication or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to enter a unique code sent to your phone or email. It's a simple yet effective way to protect your account from unauthorized access. Be cautious of phishing scams. Make sure the website you're using is legitimate by double-checking the URL and ensuring it's spelled correctly. Avoid clicking on suspicious links and never share your private keys or login credentials with anyone. Understand the fees associated with trading on the exchange. These can include transaction fees, withdrawal fees, and trading fees. Different exchanges have different fee structures, so be sure to familiarize yourself with them. When not actively trading, it's a good practice to withdraw your funds to secure a wallet that you control. This mitigates risks associated with keeping your funds on the exchange, like hacking or unforeseen technical issues. And of course, always start with a small amount of funds when you're new to trading. Take the time to learn and understand the process before diving in with larger investments. Crypto markets can be volatile, and it's crucial to familiarize yourself with how they work. And finally, check the exchange's customer support and responsiveness. It's essential to choose an exchange that provides timely and helpful support in case you run into any issues or have questions. And that's a wrap for today. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the basics of buying cryptocurrency through exchanges. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto-related content. And of course, if you'd like to learn more, head to the Learn Crypto Academy and take the Getting to Know Cryptocurrency, a Beginner's Guide course.